Well, this is a complaint filed by JB Sebastian, represented by his wife, Roxanne Sebastian, against former Secretary of Justice Laila De Lima, former Director of the Bureau of Corrections, Ricardo Renier Cruz, and Richard Schwarzkopf, the Superintendent of the New Bilibid Prisons. This is a criminal complaint for violation of Section 3E of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. This particular provision of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act penalizes a public official who causes undue injury to a party in the performance of his or in the discharge of his function through evident bad faith and gross and inexcusable negligence. Dito ito nag-ugat noong i-transfer ng mga respondents by Director Cruz, Schwarzkopf, Superintendent Schwarzkopf, and Secretary De Lima herself, when they ordered the transfer of JB Sebastian from maximum security compound to Building 14. It should be noted na bago i-transfer si Sebastian, sumulat siya kay Director Cruz, kay Schwarzkopf, kay Secretary De Lima na huwag siyang dalhin doon sa Building 14 dahil namimiligro ang buhay niya dahil nung ni-raid ang maximum security compound at yung Bilibid 19 dinala doon sa NBI dahil maraming nakuhang mga illegal na mga kontrabando at droga sa maximum security compound, ang pinagbintangan na nagsuplong o nagbigay ng informasyon kina Secretary De Lima ay itong si JB Sebastian. Now, despite that request, still tinuloy pa rin nila, dinala sa Building 14 hanggang sa nung nagkaroon ng investigation patungkol doon sa proliferation ng illegal drugs diyan sa maximum security compound sa Bilibid, sa New Bilibid Prison, nagkaroon ng press statement si Senator De Lima at sinabi niya in public na itong si JB Sebastian isang asset ng gobyerno. Dahil dito sa revelasyon na to, lalong nagalit yung mga taong naapektuhan sa raid sa New Bilibid Prison. Kaya tinangkang patayin si JB Sebastian noong September 28. Lalong lumala at lalo nilang pinahamak si JB Sebastian nung inanunsyo na isang asset nga si JB Sebastian. Under the law, kapag ikaw ay asset ng gobyerno, under whatever circumstance, hindi dapat i-disclose kasi manganganib ang seguridad ng isang asset ng gobyerno.